In this video, you are going to learn the ultimate way to make $200 a day with no website, no social media following, and no cold selling is needed. Let's go. What's going on YouTube? Jay is back with another awesome video for you guys, and if you're new to the channel, I am very passionate about documenting my journey on this channel to making my first 7 figures online. That's why I like to call it the Millionaire Mindset, because I want to encourage everybody watching and following my journey and install that millionaire mindset within them and take them on the journey with me. So if you're interested in joining that journey with me, following my content, I'm posting on a daily basis various different methods that I'm applying to hopefully help you and teach you guys. So make sure to subscribe down below if you're new to the channel. I would really appreciate that and enjoy following the journey with you. But this strategy is really going to be packed with value. As like I said, it's going to be the ultimate way to really make money online with no website, no social media following, no cold selling is needed either. You also don't need a lot of experience or any experience at all, because I'm literally going to hold your hand throughout this training. It's very realistic and it's possible to do. A lot of people are making 6 figures doing affiliate marketing like this, because what's nice about this, you can get high ticket sales that's $500 plus without doing the selling yourself, as this is a done for you system. And as you watch throughout the video, you will understand and it will make sense as we go along. And you can also do this with your phone. So if you don't have a PC, all these websites are accessible via your mobile device, and you can build this entire thing with just your phone, and it's worldwide. Anybody can do this, whether you're in India, United States, South Africa, whatever country you're in the world, this is worldwide. And I've also got another awesome giveaway in this video of $10. So how it's going to work is the first person to comment down below how many times I say the word literally in this video will win $10 this time. So I will filter the comments by the latest comments and scroll down to the bottom to see who made it first, just to make it fair, so I can see who actually entered the right amount first. What I'll do is I will heart your comments, I'll reply, and then ask for your email. And why I've chosen high ticket products specifically, because what's nice about this, first of all, the product is done for you. The sales funnel is already done for you. All the ads, all the content that you need to go and promote is done for you. It's just up to you to go and apply what I'm going to teach you in this video to start seeing your first sales online. I'm not talking your small $10, $20 sales. This is high ticket sales of $100 to even $500 plus in commissions of one sale. And the kind of products that I'm talking about is your high tickets, more digital information kind of products, such as valuable courses, valuable online courses online that cost a lot of money, but that will literally change people's lives, is the kind of high ticket products that we are going to promote. So there are multiple places that we can go and get these high ticket products. You can either get them from networks such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore24, which are all platforms where people list their high ticket courses, any kind of digital products, software products, where we can go and get our affiliate link, share that, get sales through that, and then we get a commission off that sale. So I'm just going to come over to the ClickBank marketplace, and you want to click on the little search button of the search bar. You don't want to filter anything, and you want to put your average sale all the way up to the max. And once you filter by the highest selling high ticket products, you'll see there's quite a couple of them listed on this page. And one of them that I'm very familiar with is the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. He has an entire webinar. It's all an automated done for you funnel, and you're going to get $525 per sale. So just to show you, if I open up his page, it's going to take you to this free training and webinar over here, which will teach you all about his course, how to build an income online from home, all got to do with affiliate marketing. So that's just an example, and don't worry if you're stressing how on earth are we going to get sales like this. This entire method is going to cover all of that for you. So just another one could be this one over here, the Fast Tracks Top High Converting 1K webinar, 1K a day webinar. So same with this training over here, free live webinar reveals how this guy earns $40,000 a day with ClickBank. A lot of these guys actually do earn these kind of figures online. So this is exactly what you want. You want high ticket webinar funnels just like this to hook in leads and to get sales from them, to build trust and to build a relationship with that client. And another good example that I'm familiar with is you can come over to Google and you can type in Amazon FBA webinar, and you can have a look on Google to find any other free webinars to specific courses. So for example, over here, here's like a free AMZ FBA education, some over here, but the one that I'm actually specifically looking for is Kevin David's course on FBA. It's a very good course. It's a good one to promote. So just to see, if I scroll down here, you can see the GOAT official Kevin David website. So I'm going to open this up. So in order to get your affiliate link to Kevin David's FBA masterclass and webinar, you can just come over to Google and type in Kevin David affiliate program. I actually found a blog site over here that I'm going to open up, and you can see he has his 3 different courses: the Shopify, the Facebook ads, and the Amazon FBA affiliate program, where you can click on this. It will open up a tab that looks like this, where you can sign up to be an affiliate for all of his high ticket products and courses. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to sign up on this quickly and show you the kind of resources that you're going to get with this. And once I've signed up on that, my dashboard's going to look like this. So you can see it's a fresh account that I just created starting from scratch. You've got your affiliate link to his Shopify course, to his high ticket Amazon FBA course, his Facebook ads course, some other courses as well. And we are going to choose the Amazon FBA full course. So that'll be this link over here. Let's get our links by clicking on that button, and you can choose your link. You want to make sure that you choose the webinar Amazon FBA Ninja page, not the sales page, the webinar page. Your sub ID, we can just put FB, and for the sub ID 2, we can put add 1. And then you can click on this button over here, and it will give you a ton of resources that is literally done for you. Facebook ads, Facebook video ads, thumbnails for ads. Look at all of this, these videos, all of these 30-second ad rolls, 15 seconds, 5-second ads. So everything that you need is here. So what this video is going to all be about is putting the content that we have right in front of us, super easy, done for us, all done for us, all the ads done for us, and we're going to go put that into action and get some sales. And if I scroll throughout this, you can see he's got tons of videos, pictures, some of his own webinars. If I scroll down some more, he's got some pictures of like free ebooks. He's got his 10 million award that he got with ClickBank, even some pictures with Gary Vee. So all these content is super accreditable, very high quality, and very high converting. Like I said, done for you right here to go and download and promote. And you'll see one of these videos over here, which pretty much talks about his Amazon FBA business, his results so far from his course and his FBA business himself. And this is a video that we can literally go and download and upload to our own YouTube channel and run ads against that to get people into this high ticket offer, to this webinar that we're now promoting, which is our affiliate link, because it's all done for us. So now we've got our done for you funnel, we've got our done for you webinar, we've got our done for you YouTube, Google ads, Facebook ads, all the content that we need. We just need to now go and put all of this together, which is going to be the next step of this training. So to start with this, we can come over to YouTube and we can search something like Amazon FBA. We can find some videos about this. You can see, is Amazon FBA still worth starting in 2020? My first year selling on Amazon, how to sell on Amazon FBA, and more videos on FBA, and so on the top page of Google. And we can come over to Google and we can just type in YouTube ads. You'll see on Google, it'll pop up here, YouTube advertising online video campaigns. We can click on start now. You should already have your Google account set up. It's all free to sign up onto this. And then from the start now page, it will take you to your Google Ads campaign dashboard, where you can create new campaigns on Google and YouTube. Now, what I really like about this, whether you decide to start off small, whether you decide to end up investing $20 into ads, even $50, even a $100 campaign, even a $200 campaign where you will reach tens of thousands of people, if one of those sales or impressions just converts, you can make $1,000 in sales in a sale, $500 in a sale, and you can make like 200% return on investment just of one sale. So that's what I really like about high ticket products and running ad campaigns against this high converting done for you ad sets already. So a lot of people complicate Google ads. So I want to show you a simple way to do this, how I run my Google ads and how you can replicate that. So I'm going to click on new campaign over here. We can start a new campaign, and we want to do a video campaign that's going to get traffic to our video, which is the Kevin David's FBA video. So we want to choose create a campaign without a goals guidance. You'll see over here, you've got a couple of options. We are going to choose a video where we can create video ads that are designed to increase reach and awareness. And then we just want to click on custom video campaign, and then we can click on continue. For the campaign name, we can put Kevin David FBA, for example. For the budget, the campaign, so I'm in ZAR, which is the South African currency. So we can go at about, let's say, $25 a day over the next 4 days, which is going to be a total of $100. We're going to run this at, let's say, 1,500 Rand, which is about $100. So we're going to run at 250 daily, which is about $15 daily. Then we're going to run this ad for 6 days. Let's make that less. We're going to make that 5 days. There we go. For 5 days, 300 Rand daily, and that's more or less good enough to start. You can try it over 4 or 5 days. And under the networks, you just want to do YouTube videos so that ads can appear on YouTube videos and channel pages and the YouTube homepage. So we want to uncheck YouTube search results and we want to uncheck video partners. We just want this on YouTube videos. And then for locations, you just want to select all countries and territories because you're targeting anyone on these Amazon FBA videos. Inventory type, it basically means if there's any swearing or any kind of adult content on the ad. So I always like to choose expanded inventory because it also lowers the cost per click on your ads, not making your ads as expensive. And then the ad group name is basically just like a group or class name for this ad group. So this again we can call FBA ad group. And then we can run multiple ad sets within an ad group with the same global settings. And then for demographics, we can select any gender, any age, any parental statuses. And what's nice about this, also the household income. So what you can do is you can select or unselect anyone in like the lower 50%. Because this is a high ticket course, people with money will generally only buy a course like this, people that can afford it. So we only want to target those people because there's going to be no point in targeting our ad to people in the lower 50% of household income who could perhaps not afford this course, because then we could just be wasting money on our advert because it's not going to convert. And then for audiences, keywords and topics, we're going to leave completely blank. That is already fine as is. And then for the placements, this is actually the best part about this. We can place our ad on specific channels that are in the Amazon FBA niche, specific videos in specific rankings for different keywords, in specific niches such as the top 10 monetized Amazon FBA videos for the search term Amazon FBA. We can go and run our ads on those specific videos. So what you want to do is you want to choose YouTube videos and you can add as many as you want. The more the merrier. So you can come back to YouTube over here and you can copy just these links like this. So you can go right click, copy link address, and you just want to fulfill this list throughout the placements. Place as many videos in the Amazon FBA niche in the placement section of YouTube videos. And you will see that I've added 13 videos that I know is monetized that I just went throughout on the #1 page of the Amazon FBA search term, where I will be running this specific ad on this ad set, on this campaign. And I would say a good amount is anywhere between 15, 20, 30 videos that you want to add to your placements to target your ad. And then your CPV maximum vid. So what the nice thing about this is you will only pay for your ads when people are extremely interested in it. So an ad view counts as when somebody watches an ad for longer than 30 seconds, on the YouTube, like it's a skippable ad, or when somebody actually clicks on the button to go to that ad. That's when that ad counts as a view. So you want to set this anywhere between, I would say, 40 US cents to $1. So I'm going to go at 10 Rand, which is about $0.5. And you'll see my available impressions is 40,000. It's not that many, but that's why you want to add more and more videos from the Amazon FBA niche on YouTube into your placement section on this placements. That's why the more the merrier, the more impressions, the bigger reach and audience you're going to reach with Amazon FBA. So I'm happy with 10 Rand CPV bid. I would say go at about $40 US cents, 50 US cents. That will be fine for your maximum CPV bid. And then for creating our video ad, we need to paste our video URL. So obviously we've downloaded this video onto our local PC and uploaded this onto our YouTube channel. So you'll see over here, I've uploaded this video to YouTube. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my ad over here and we just paste this URL. For video ad format, you want to select skippable and stream ad. And then for the final URL, we're going to be putting our affiliate link, which we got from the back office. So you'll see over here. Here is our affiliate link. So you'll see when I copy this and paste this into a browser, it's going to take them to this Amazon Masterclass with our affiliate link. So what I'll do is I'll go back to this ad set. I'm just going to paste this URL over here done. And then for the call to action, you've got 10 characters, so we can just put something like FBA training, if it will allow us. No, we can just put then, let's put training. And then for the headline, we can put free FBA live webinar or FBA masterclass. Or we can actually put your FBA masterclass under the headline, and then for the call to action we want to put free, so people can see that it's a free FBA masterclass. And it shows you what the advert's going to look like here, so you can see it's a skippable ad, FBA masterclass, completely free. And then for the name of our ad, we just want to call this Amazon FBA YT ad, for example. And also what you should do is you should upload an image here, because it's going to add like a, if we go to the desktop version, sort of like a little picture over here, or like a display. So you can go back to the Google Drive of your Amazon resources, and we can actually get any image off of here. So if I scroll down, let's just choose here the free webinar one. I'm going to choose this one. I'm just going to download this to my PC, the free webinar. There we go. I'm going to come back to my YouTube ad, and I'm just going to quickly upload that. And there we go. You can see that image has been uploaded. And then you can also preview your ad if you want to see what that looks like. So you can click on preview ad over here. It will take you to like the Google AdSense demo page. And this is what your skippable ad looks like. You can see FBA Masterclass, completely free to click on that call to action. And the whole masterclass is free. People like free stuff, so you want to include that word in your call to action somewhere. And then if I look at my final impressions, anywhere between 2.7k and 9,000 impressions, 410 to 1.5k views on this video, at an average span of 1 Rand 22 to 4 Rand, which is not bad considering I've only selected 13 specific videos to run this ad on. Remember, the more the merrier, the bigger audience and the more people you're going to reach in the Amazon FBA niche. And then all you want to do is you want to click on create campaign. So I'm actually going to run this campaign as is. And what I will do is, if I do get any sales, I will post it onto my community tab of my YouTube channel if you want to follow that as well. So make sure you follow my channel and I will post the results on this. So now that we've got that going, you can see this will obviously take some time to first get some views, to get some impressions on the ad, and hopefully over time the results will come in. So what's fantastic about this, you're leveraging other people's resources, you're leveraging other people's following bases. You don't need to do any cold selling. You don't need to have any following basis. You can be a nobody and start with this with high ticket selling with doing no cold selling. That's what I really like about this. All your resources are there. All you've got to go and do is make use of them, put it together and put that into action. And the whole way to go about this is start off with one ad set really cheap, see how it goes, see how many people actually click on the webinar, see how many people are converting, and then over time you can choose, build more and more ad sets, see which ones perform the best, discover which ones perform the best and capitalize on those. But that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got a lot of value from it. Make sure to leave a like down below. This was literally an entire nice Google training ad, simplifying it nicely for you in this video. But also, I'm going to leave on the screen my favorite playlist on affiliate marketing. It's literally 24 videos in a value jam-packed playlist, a free course on YouTube right here that you can watch. You can binge watch these videos, go through all of them, lots of giveaways, lots of helpful info in these videos. So make sure to click the little playlist on the screen and I'll see you there.